In this video, I will show how to install Grammarly in Windows 11 in 2023. Open any web browser, then search here Grammarly and open this first link. Also, you will see Grammarly for your desktop. Select it. Click on Get Grammarly. Sign in with your Gmail and Facebook ID. It's free. You can use Grammarly with some limited features. Click on Apps and here the option Grammarly. For Windows 11. You will see this warning, so click on Keep and Install. And after that, just you have to sign in with your given ID like Gmail or Facebook ID. Also, you can use Grammarly for Chrome, Android, iPhone or iPad. Double click on this setup file. So this method guys, you can download and install Grammarly in Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Comment this video useful for you or not.